Welcome back. We're back to work on the 2019 Honda Civic. Everything got painted, so it's time for reassembly. We're gonna start putting everything back together, the door handles, the door panels, the bumpers, everything that we took off, we're gonna install back on the car. My bumpers got painted, so I'll start putting the rear bumper back together. The front bumper, I'm gonna do that last, just because I have all that stuff I have to replace in the front. Got some new headlights here. I'm just gonna replace both of them. They sell the kit on eBay. I think it was only like 200 bucks for 2 brand new lights. We'll slowly start piecing it back together and then send it for detail. So the condenser should be pretty simple. There's just 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and then we just gotta undo the high and low pressure lines, and then it should just slide right in. Old one, here's the new one. The old one, here's the new one. So it got bent a little, I'm not sure what bent it. Could have even been the forklift that loaded the car up, but nothing else got damaged underneath, so I'm not worried about it. I'll just replace this bottom brace and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're done with the front end. I think it's looking good. I just gotta replace the headlight. Front end is looking pretty. I love the new headlights. All the gaps align perfectly. I think we're done with the front end. I think it was a good idea changing both headlights. That way they both match. Otherwise the passenger side headlight would be all pitted and worn out. But this way you just have a fresh new front end. So it looks super good. Very happy with it. Let's move on to the rest of the car. Seat covers came in. Check this out. They look pretty sweet, I gotta say. It's like pretty quality material. Now I'm gonna take my old seats out, put the new covers on, and hopefully it's gonna fit like a glove. I'm gonna start with the passenger side, just gonna take the whole seat out. Done. It's looking good. I like it. It looks better than the original because it feels like a real leather. So at first it was a challenge. It's pretty simple to take it apart, but to get the rings back on the new upholstery was a little bit challenging. These were the old ones that you undo, and what I was trying to do was put them back together and clip them in, but that was impossible. So I went on Amazon and found these clips. They're called hog rings or something, and the pliers come with it. There's a steel cable that runs inside that attaches to the upholstery, so all you do is you clip this in and then it attaches itself. Super easy with these pliers. So that saved me a lot of time. The seat's looking nice and clean. So I'm done with my passenger seat. Looks great, I love it. Now that I know everything fits and it looks super nice, I'm gonna do the rest of the seats, starting with the back seats, and then I'll do the driver's seat last, and then we'll put everything back in the car. Almost done. Couple of things I gotta do before it's 100% done, so almost at the finish line. So I got my new tires here. I ordered all 4 and then like another no brand tire. Lionhearts, they're good and they're fairly cheap, so they last me a long time. They drive good. So I just finished up with my car. I got the interior dialed in, everything's installed and looking great. I also installed the 4 brand new tires, so everything's perfect on it, doesn't need a single thing. So now it's time for a detail, and then we're gonna do a final walkthrough and see how everything turned out. Alright guys, welcome back. We're finally finished with the car. Got it detailed, ready to go. It's 100% dialed in, and it turned out a lot better than I expected. Honestly, the paint job looks flawless. I didn't even have to COLLISON and buff. And my favorite part is the interior. The interior seats turned out super nice. I love the new upholstery. It makes the interior look 100 times better and a lot more luxurious than the cloth seats, and they did a good job. I installed it myself. I learned something new. Enough of this talk, let's take a quick look and see how everything turned out. I want to thank you guys for watching my video on my rebuild of the Honda Civic that I bought. Turned out super clean, super nice. I love it. It's a great gas saver, especially nowadays. I commute like 15 minutes to work there and back and getting 30 miles per gallon, so not bad at all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to LNC Painter YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. I post a new video each week, so stay tuned, subscribe, bell notifications so you don't miss a thing. What do you think? Nравится? You like the car? Let's park it up. Turn it. Turn it. What are we doing? Yeah. And we're home. Turn the ignition off. Выключай машину. That's it. Soon he'll be driving. He's not 2 yet though. Can't reach the pedals. Soon enough, Papa will teach you how to drive. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Пока.
Bye.